Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and the memory card into Nova 5T. To this operation, get key in your hand and press it in that little hole here. That's it, and there's a place for the two SIM cards. As you see, we didn't have the place for the memory card, sorry. There is the first slot and there is a second slot for the SIM card. Unfortunately, you can't insert the memory card into your phone. And that's it. Now phone gonna be connected into your GSM. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!